5:15 in the morning, San Jose Airport. Getting ready to hop on a flight that's going to take us from here to Dallas-Fort Worth. From Dallas, we're going to head into Miami, and then the original plan was to go from Miami to Key West. Key West is in the middle of a storm right now, Hurricane Ike, and so American Airlines has canceled the flight from Miami to Key West. So it looks like we're going to be spending the night in Miami, which is unexpected. Here's our co-executive producer right here. 3 hours later, we're in Dallas-Fort Worth. I think by most definitions, this makes you a Texan, doesn't it? This airport is amazing. It's like a mall, an airport. It's like a mini city. It's got everything that you need. Everything behind me, check this out. It's got like sushi bars, rib joints, Irish pubs. It's got everything going on. We're about to get on the plane. About to get on the plane and head to Miami. Now, as I was telling you earlier, Key West is feeling the tail end of Hurricane Ike. So we will not be able to fly into Key West tonight. So when we get to the airport in Miami, the first thing we're going to have to do is find a place to stay for the night.
Miami, South Beach, bringing the heat.
What's up, crew? Here we are in Miami, Florida. Look how rickety this airport is. I don't even know what to say. I was going to say something, but gonna have something to drink. And then we're going to freshen up a little bit, throw some clothes on, hop in a cab, and go down to South Beach. South Beach, where all the cool people hang out. Why we're going there, I have no idea.
Ages and races, real sweet faces, every different nation, Spanish, Haitian, Indian, Jamaican.
Project Placebo, living large in South Beach. Miami, FLA, with little executive producer bouncing up and down in the background. Look at this. I'll go slow. Look at this. Going very slow for you. You checking this out? That's all it's saying right there. South Beach, Miami, Florida.
I'm going to Miami.
So we're gonna make our way down to the beach just so we can say that we stood on the beach in South Beach. But you can say it's like a hurricane out here. So day 2 of vacation. Still rained out, still hurricane Iked out of Key West. And we rented a car and we're hanging out in South Beach until our flight at 8 o'clock tonight. So I think it's about time. The executive producer's looking at me funny because I think it's time for another cocktail and a bathroom break. Right behind me is a little turboprop plane that's going to take us into Key West. I'm going to hop on the plane and see if we make it down there. We're down here, as you can see behind me. Look behind me, we're on Duval Street, which is the main touristy strip through town. Here, you can look behind me over on this way too. This is the world famous Duval Street where all the partying and the shops and all the little goodies happen down here. Let's go over and see what Executive is doing with her tattoo.
Another place, another line, turn up the bass. Another time, another place, another line, turn up the bass.
We came down to Mallory Square, which is kind of a touristy thing to do, I guess. But it's a giant square where all the people come down and watch the sunset. And it's kind of like a Pier 39 in San Francisco. It has that kind of vibe to it. It's like a lot of little touristy shops and restaurants. And so we're down on the pier hanging out. You can see executive producer over here. Watch the sunset, watch some ships go by. We're gonna go to the Hemingway House, which is one of the most famous spots on this island to see the polydactyl cats. Cats everywhere. Check this out. Look at this cat coming down the trail right here. Look at that. Look at these two. Look at these two. They're playing. Little kids playing. Look at that. Got the little young babies out here playing. I'll try and get them in the background for you. There you go. They're playing in the background. Interesting. Hemingway House. A little piece of history right here. Cool stuff. Cats are nice. Plants are amazing. They have every imaginable plant. They have rubber plants, banana trees. They got everything here. Coconut trees. Very cool. I think the next step is going to be the green parrot. Here we are outside of the famous Green Parrot, which is the last southernmost bar on Highway 1 in the United States. Day 9, Key West, final day, final morning. We just finished packing up and we're going to call the cab in about 10 minutes, have it come pick us up, take us to the airport. So we're doing one final walk around the area, kind of say goodbye. Made the mistake of wearing a long sleeve shirt. I was thinking about being on the plane. It's too hot for long sleeves here. So does anything executive want to say on the way out? No, she's not a happy camper today. We're just tired and our legs are completely bitten up and we miss the kids. It's time to go. So maybe we'll check in with you at the airport in a little bit. So this is the final video cut from Key West. So goodbye, Key West.